Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of Text Expressed. So if you are running Google Ads without conversion tracking, you're basically throwing your money into a black hole. Today what I'm going to be doing here is to show you how to generate your conversion ID and label into Google Ads and link them to your Wix in just a few clicks. There's no code requirement. The process actually is going to be really simple. So first, we needed to create the goal. If you go to your Google Ads dashboard, you want to click directly into your Ghost. So in all the tutorials, we show you how to generate a Google AdSense account, how to generate your first Google AdSense website. So here what I need to do is to focus into home. Into previous tutorials, we showed you how to generate your first Google AdSense account and how to verify that process. So if you missed that video, you can let me know, and there's an actual link directly into this specific element. So here directly into, once you have getting started with creating your actual campaign, is going to be asking you how would you like to get started with your, in this case, your website. So usually the first thing it's going to be asking you is to enter the final URL where you want to be sending people to. In my case, for example, let's go for view my live site. This is the one I'm going to be using for the conversions into Google Ads. So I'm going to be copying my website. I paste it directly inside here, and what you can do is to enter products or services to advertise. In my case, I won't do this at the moment. Just hit for the option that says next, and you can enter or paste some keywords. Keywords are usually to match your ads with the terms people are searching for. For example, Text Express tutorials. You can try out with much more depending on what you're actually selling, right? Once you have selected the keywords, what you can do now is to create your actual ads, right? So here is going to be appearing the actual ad they're going to be generating for. In this case, let's say, for example, learned how to master I don't know, I can try out Shopify, for example, and I can try with T headlines, learned to master Shopify right now. So the value is too long. I'm going to hit now. Text Express tutorials, master Shopify now. So I have now 3, and the description here, for example, this is your opportunity to master your Shopify website. And I can generate, for example, much more elements like this. Now the campaign optimization score is going to appear here into the right lower corner. It can be telling you how great your ad is, or how much or how bad or how good is actually it. Now when you start a bid strategy, this will be defining how Google should bid for your ad and auctions. So what do you want to be focusing on? Usually we wanted to focus into conversions. Conversions means that when we have more than 2 elements, this is going to be tracking that information. For example, when people clicked into my website and they hit for the option that says purchase an item, this is a specific conversion. This is what we want to be focusing on. So this is what we wanted to Google Ads to be focused on when you hit for next. And lastly, you have now, for example, to select a specific budget. For example, select the custom budget. Let's say, for example, head into Mexican peso. I focus for 200 Mexican peso, and here weekly conversion, I have an estimated 12 people going to be making this element. Cost conversion 110, and my weekly cost will be this amount of money. With this in mind, I can hit for the option that says next. And lastly, we have now the enter the payment details. So we needed to create that specific goal. So when you get your ID and label on the setup screen, click into use tag manager that you can be focusing on. The first thing, of course, I need to do, of course, is to generate my actual payment method directly right in here, and hit for the option that says submit. Right, so just like that, I have my account already been generated. Into Wix, what you can do now is to focus into the section that says applications and go for app market. Directly here, when you hit for Google, for example, into the app market, it will be showing you tons of applications which you can just get started. For example, the Get Google Ads plus retargeting. Here into the setup screen, what you can do is to add this to your specific site, and you can get, of course, the easiest way to see your ID and the label, which usually is going to appear here into your Google Ads campaign. Here, for example, I have my specific ID, right? So when you copy this to You want to be needing them for the next steps into Wix. Keep the tab open. Now it's going to be really important to tell you that in order to get started with the marketing and the SEO elements, your website should be now active and needed to have an actual active paid plan and a custom domain in order to make this process. If you have the free version, unfortunately this will not be available to getting started. Once you have done all of this process, you can focus for marketing, Google Ads, and inside here you wanted of course to paste the ID and the labeling we just grabbed. If you're tracking a purchase, you can make sure that the toggle the tracked revenue is switched now to on. So in my case, we don't have an upgraded site and we haven't a custom domain available yet, but this is the way of how you can actually do this directly from Wix into Google Ads. So what you need to do lastly is to make sure that it's working. Download the Google Tag Assistant extension that you can find directly into the Google browser. So you can go directly into the site and perform a test action. If it turns green and shows you conversion ID, you are officially a tracking data and you are good to go. So it can take up to 24 hours for the Google Ads to show the status as recording. So don't panic if it doesn't appear instantly. I put a Wix ad traveling guide that appears from the articles of the Wix, so you can let me know into the comments below what you think about this specific tutorial, and if you have any issues you can let me know into the comments below. So if this helped you, subscribe for more marketing tutorials. Thank you so much for watching the video guys, and well, hopefully we can see you next time.